Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to configure Autoscale, not the simple way, but the more advanced way. So you can really change the small things that you can do on the rules. You can create several rules to change the Autoscale rule. So as you can see, I'm running here a web app inside Azure, inside App Service in Azure. So I'm going to close the Essentials tab here. And I'm going to scroll down all the way down so you can see that auto scale is off. So if I click there, it will give me a few options to scale by, and I'm gonna select the schedule and performance rule, no, not the CPU percentage. That is just a simple way to do so. So to do so, I have to add a profile. So to that profile, I'm gonna just say advanced rule for scaling, and I'm gonna say that it is always going to be running, not a recurrence and not a fixed date as well. So it's gonna be running always, and the target range are from 1 to 10 instances. Okay, so these are the target range, and now I'm gonna configure the rule. So okay, what is the rule to change from 1 to 10? So I'm gonna change the app service plan, and the metric name that I'm going to use is not CPU percentage right now. Let's just say that I have a memory percentage that I want to target. As you can see, my current consumption of memory, it's between 45 and 58, I would say, right here. So you can change it, the threshold. So okay, so let's go step by step. The operator is greater than, so I'm gonna increase the number of instances with that rule. So greater than the threshold is 5%. That is not good because it's gonna get bigger as soon as I finish. So I can say I want to, if it is greater than 80%. So you can see here that my threshold just went up, and the duration in between 20 minutes, that is okay. We're gonna capture an average of 20 minutes, and if it is more than 80%, we're gonna scale, and we're gonna scale and increase count by 1. So I'm gonna increase one instance at a time with a cooldown of 5 minutes. So I'll just hit OK. That's just fine. Okay, so I have to configure a scale down rule. I'm going to create a new rule, also based on memory. I'm going to change the metric here to memory percentage, and we'll see the graphic here. And if the memory percentage, the threshold is not 5 anymore, we're increasing when it is 80%. I'm going to say that we're decreasing when it's 40%. That is almost what we have here. So if the memory total, the average of the memory in a duration of 20 minutes is less than 40%, so I'm going to change less than 40%, we're going to decrease the count by 1, and with a cooldown of 5. So if I click OK here, you'll have a broader view of what is going on. So I have a memory percentage rule and a memory percentage rule right here. And if it is above 80%, I'm going to increase by 1. And if it is less than 40%, I'm going to decrease the count by 1. To do so, to have this implemented in your web app, you just have to click on save, and you'll see the green. We always love the green message there, and we can see the auto scale is on. I won't be able to show you that because this web app I have just deployed, so there's nothing there honestly, so I can show you. But we can see the auto scales on here. I have one instance running right now. If I have more than 80% of consumption of my memory inside this S1 instance, I'll have the auto scale kick in, and I'll have two instances running and replying to all my customers. So this is how you create a custom rule for your auto scale inside web apps.